friends, welcome to Origami world. I'm Sanidhya and I'm 11 years old. Today we are going to make a magical ring which is secretly a ninja star. It can transform into 2-pointed, 4-pointed, 6-pointed and finally 8-pointed ninja stars. So let's get started. This module is made of 8 identical parts. As you can see, alternates are of different colors. So you are going to need 2 sheets for this paper. Both of them need to be square. Let's get started. First, make a fold like this. Crease it well. Unfold, then make a fold over here like this. Unfold and turn over, and you need to cut over these lines like this. And then like this, and do the same on this part like this. Now take a part and then fold it. Fold this corner to this corner like this, and make a crease here. Unfold and repeat the same on the other part, like make a crease over here like this. Unfold and take these corners to the middle, any 2 corners to the middle like this, and then like this. Now you need to pick up your model and make a crease over here like this, and then make a reverse fold here like this. Your model will be like this. Your model will look like this right now. Now you need to do the same on the other sheet of paper and the other parts which we made earlier. So now that all the pieces are made, it's time to assemble them. So first take a black part and then take the red part and hold them like this. Take this one over here and fold this part inside like this, and the opposite side also like this. The model will look like this. Now take a black part, lock it over here, and then take these 2 arms and put them in this pocket. Now take a red part, put it over here, take the black arms, put them into this pocket, and repeat the same over and over until the model is complete. So the last part is a bit tricky. Take this red part, put it over here, and take this black part, put it over here, and then do the same as we did before. Take the arms and put them in the pocket over here, and then repeat that over here. So now that this is done, your ninja star is all done, and now to transform it, you need to do slide this off like this, then like this, like this, and then like this, and your ninja star is complete, and now you can play with it. Throw it on anybody or else they will get hurt. And if you like my videos, then please press the like button, subscribe and share them with your friends. See you next time.